It's been nearly 3 months since an EF3 tornado hit central Arkansas.
Several agencies are still stepping up to help Arkansans rebuild and recover, but deadlines for certain assistance is nearing. Tonight, THV 11's Jalissa Garza shares what you need to know if you need help.
Since the March 31st tornado, the Little Rock Public Works Department has been working around the clock to clean up the debris left behind.
The first couple of weeks we saw very large quantities of debris being picked up, anywhere from 15 to 20,000 cubic yards a day.
Director John Honeywell says as of Thursday, they've picked up a total of 445,000 cubic yards.
We originally estimated about 600,000 roughly, and I think before it's all said and done, we'll probably come close to that number.
Monday, June 26th is the last day the department plans to pick up debris from the tornado.
Have your materials that need to be collected up out at the street, at the edge of the road, the public street.
Another deadline approaching is assistance from FEMA. The disaster relief group is closing their remaining 3 recovery centers on June 28th. According to FEMA, they've helped more than 3,000 households, approving $8.5 million to help Arkansans recover. If you still need help, the deadline to register is Monday, July 3rd. When it comes to meeting the debris deadline, Honeywell says if you don't meet it, the city can still help, depending on what you need picked up.
For garbage, it has to fit within your cart that the city supplies. That's all that we pick up as garbage. Vegetative debris, we have limits on size of what can be put out.
If you aren't sure, Public Works can come by and take a look.
We're more than happy to work with them to try to get the best solution to whatever they have at their properties.
After they finish Monday, Honeywell says the next step is cleaning up wooded areas as the recovery in central Arkansas continues.
In some of the areas along Chenal Parkway, the Rock Creek area where we have a lot of trees that were knocked down.
In Little Rock, Jalissa Garza, THV 11 News.
All right, Jalissa, thank you. For more information on how to apply for FEMA assistance, you can visit our website, thv11.com.